So I went over and saw my buddy John over at Fackler Kubota today because I wanted to get a 4-way wedge for the Woods log splitter I have. And the original 4-way wedge were two little wings that you would bolt onto the side of the original wedge. Unfortunately, I guess there was some accident where somebody got hurt by those, probably due to weak bolts, so they no longer offer that. The only thing they offer is a complete replacement wedge. I'd like mine to be removable. Maybe eventually I will build a slip-over style wedge, but for now I went ahead and bought the 4-way. So let's go ahead and we're going to take off the original and slide a new one on. Looks like I may have to pull the cylinder, probably lift it up. I don't know if I got enough room to tilt it, so I may have to pull both ends of it out in order to get this wedge out, but let's get started working on that. Wow, so that really wasn't too bad at all. That was pretty quick, surprisingly. The only issue I have so far, and I don't think it's a major one, is the wings do rub here slightly. I may try to pinch those over just a little bit, or just let it wear. I'm not real sure. But not that big of a deal. But otherwise, we'll give it a shot here in just a little bit, see how it works.